Guys, the mall is right there. Let's just cross the road and then we will go to the mall. Let's go. All right, so I'm gonna cross here. Let's go to the mall. Thankfully there are not many people here. I see Macy's, I see JCPenney, but we're gonna go to JCPenney. So let me find somewhere to park here so that we can go. Oh well, guys, let's go to the mall and see what they have. It's hot, guys, but thankfully I have my hat. It's preventing me from... Look at me, that's me, Wawan. I'm burning, but hey, let's go to the mall, grab something to drink or eat, and then we continue with our shopping. Remember, this is gonna be a new video. Let's go. Welcome, guys. I need to find some clothing. Let's see what they have in here. Hi, how are you? The music here is so loud, but they have cute stuff here, so I'm gonna take my time and shop around because there's a lot of clothes. I need to try some clothes, so, and the music, and it looks like they have summer clothes because summer's here. They have a fitting room there, so let me dig. You have to go down and dig and find what you need. So guys, the food court is there. Let's go find something to eat. Let's see. Guys, I don't know if I should get a drink or should get a fruit here. Let me see this one here. Yeah, this one here. So guys, I'm gonna get pizza from here. Yeah, hey. Two pizza. Because there's so many restaurants here. I'm gonna get salad and pizza so I can eat. So far guys, I got my pizza from the light pizza over there, and then I'm gonna be sitting here. So let's see. This is my salad, and they gave me a dressing right here, the pizza, and then I'll tell you the price. This is the pizza right here. Look at that. This is me sitting here. So I'm going to enjoy my pizza. Let me show you. Guys, the pizza is so huge. Wow. So the whole thing, the salad, the pizza, 2 pieces, everything costs $18, guys. Can you imagine? But because it's the mall, and guys, sometimes it's good to treat yourself. We work so hard, we don't treat ourselves. So it's good to treat ourselves, okay? Let's enjoy a pizza. Right guys, let me eat and then we're gonna catch up later, okay? Thank you. Well guys, after we have done from the mall, it's time to say goodbye to you guys. I hope you enjoyed the experience of the mall. The mall is here in Arlington, Texas, It's in the US. I know I have fans from all over the world, so I have to be specific where I'm vlogging. So guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if you want this kind of vlogs, shopping, taking you around, showing you the US before we start traveling. Let me know, guys. I ate lots of pizza, and guys, I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.